Hey guys, this is the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Mobil SE. Sorry guys, I got this fucking shit sealed like it's... There we go. Alright, let's see how we open this. This way. Oh, okay. Maybe I didn't see that. Anyways guys. Getting it open. There we go. Opens like that. There's a QR code where you can scan and download the app and whatnot. This is obviously the contents in here. Just instruction manual. This is the part that you basically open, or you can have it closed. And then you put your, this is your gimbal. So that's your gimbal here. That's what it looks like. Obviously this part here is magnetic and it goes right there. That's where your phone goes. And charging cord. So, however, if you want to open this, that's how that goes. And then of course you just have to press the power button, which I believe it's somewhere. Oh, right here. Duo. So power's on. And then basically you can do that. Still powering, but yeah, so that's your DJI Osmo SE. And of course, like I said, this part is magnetic. Oh, come on. This thing is, does not want to go. That's where your phone goes. And then yeah. Anyways, that's your unboxing of the DJI Osmo Mobil SE. Thank you for watching.